How to change the order of products in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the placement or the order of the products into the Hostinger Website Builder. So the process is going to be very easy. I'm going to give you an example. So we are going to head over here to the website lists and we're going to edit the website. I'm going to click on edit website and you're going to see all the website or products that we have added. Basically, we're going to see here the specific website. Now we are going to head over the shop. I'm going to click on all the products and you're going to see here that we have this one first, this is the second, and this is the third product. How we can manage the placement of it or the order of them. You're going basically to click on manage store and then you're going to click on products. Now you're going to see the category of the products. Now let's see here the products. This is not going to be on the order, but we're going to head over the category. We're going to select the products and you can see that this is the first and this is the second and third one. I'm going to put this as a first one. So I'm going to click on save and we're going to refresh the page. So once you have refreshed the page, you're going to see that we have put this as the first product and this is going to be the second since it was the first one. You can go ahead and do that. For example, you need to remember this. Remember this three with me. I'm going to put it as first. So we are going to head over the categories. We are going to select from here the all products or the category that we want to put this specific order for. And we have this tree. I'm going to make it the first one. Click on save and wait for the result. Wait, and you're going to see that we have this tree as the first one. This is the old first one, and this it is going to be the second one. This is basically how we can change the order of the products. As you can see, for any type of collection or category, you need only to specify the category on the manage store in here. You need to specify the category, I said, like that. Select the category. For example, for this one, we have all the products and start making up the order of the products. For example, the last one, I'm going to put it as the first one, the this one as the third or the second, this one is the third, and this is going to be the last one. This balance phase is going to be the fourth, and this drop is going to be the fifth. I'm going to click on save and we are going to see that we are going to get the same specific here order for the product. This is the first, second, third, fourth, and the last one is going to be the three. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Do not forget that you only need to set up the category, and if you do not know how to add a category, head over to categories and you're going to select or add a category like this, put a name on it, and assign the products that you want to appear on that specific category. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.